I think the question here is a typical Cournot Duopoly question. I think to solve this question itself, you don't need to solve for the Cournot equilibrium exactly, but I will do it anyways because in some other questions you will need to solve them. So I will use the MR equal to MC way. So you need to calculate MR for both firms. So starting from TR, total revenue is always P times Q, and P is this thing. And remember, this Q is industry quantity, so we have two firms. So we used to have one firm, so we don't need to worry about this. But now we have two firms. This is price, and the quantity is my firm's quantity. So we have this, and then the marginal revenue is just the derivative of this thing, which you get 160 minus 2Q2 minus 4Q1. Because you have a term like this, you have 4Q2 multiplied by Q2 is 2Q1 squared. So when you take the derivative, you get 4Q1. And then we set it equal to marginal cost, which firm 1 marginal cost is the derivative of total cost, which is 8 here. And we will set them to be equal, and then we solve them. I think Q1 is equal to, we should better write this down. So we have this minus this is equal to 8. So Q1 is equal to, we move everything to the other side. Divided by 4, this is 40, this is 2, so we have 38 minus half Q2, and we call this function, I will usually call it best response function, but I think you call it the reaction function. So reaction function means given firm 2's quantity, how would I react by choosing firm 1? As firm 1, how would I react by choosing my quantity? So similarly, we could do this the other one. So this I will use the shortcut. It's just exchanging the subscripts, and MC is different. What is this? MC is 10. So we would write the same thing, I guess. So Q2 is equal to, this is 156 divided by 475, 37.5 minus Q1. So we have both the reaction functions. We can substitute one into the other one and solve for Q. I think the numbers are too hard to solve, so I will not solve. And then after you solve them, you could choose one answer, but I think the answer is that the lower marginal cost will produce more because it's cheaper to produce, basically. So the other one, same, is obviously wrong because those two reaction functions are different, and so is D. And C is the opposite of A, so C is wrong as well, so we don't choose E2. So that would be why we choose A.